Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Kekre from Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic, Ichalkaranji. So here I am sharing with all multiple choice question or objective questions of final year electrical diploma student of subject energy conservation and audit. Here I have listed all the MCQ chapter wise and I have highlighted the correct answer in a different colors. So here I am just taking view of those MCQ. So these MCQ are of chapter 1, that is energy conservation basics. So there are number of MCQ I prepared for chapter 1. So please go through this MCQ. So there are total 16 MCQ based on first chapter. Now moving towards second chapter, energy conservation in electrical machines. So this chapter is I have divided in 3 parts. So like first part is of induction motor, second part is of transformer, and third is for energy saving equipment for induction motor and transformer. So first few MCQs are based on induction motor, that is saving in induction motor. So these are the MCQ which are based on first part, that is how we can save energy in induction motor. So up to 26 questions are based on the induction motor energy saving techniques. Now from 27 transformer parts begins. So these are the questions related to transformer. Now up to 46 all questions are based on the transformer. Now the remaining are, that is from 47 till the last question of this chapter, are based on the equipment which saves energy, okay, or energy saving equipment related to induction motor and transformer I have taken at the last. So this is the last part of second chapter. So there are total, I have listed MCQ on second chapter are 67. So 67 objective questions for second chapter I have prepared. Now moving towards next fourth chapter I have taken. Third chapter I have taken for the last. Okay, energy conservation through cogeneration and tariff facilities. So this is first I have listed cogeneration part MCQ and then I put tariff related MCQ. So here you can see first questions are totally related to the cogeneration. Now from 13 tariff related questions I have written here. So there are total 26 questions I have prepared for fourth chapter. Now fifth chapter, the last chapter, and still we have one chapter, third chapter, which is I have taken to the last of So energy audit of electrical system. So these are the questions for energy audit. So total 20 questions I have prepared for the 5th chapter. Now third chapter, energy conservation in electrical installations. So it is related to the transmission distribution of electricity. So these are the questions and answers I have highlighted with the yellow one. So there are 20 questions I have prepared for the third chapter. Thank you for watching this. If you like this MCQ and my videos, then please do subscription so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new videos related to the my subject, that is energy conservation and audit. Thank you.